Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video for gold. I made a video yesterday and I just want to follow up, what the heck happened. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm going to start with the same folder, old charts, right? 15th October, starting the wave 4, ending here on the weekly chart, and then following these charts, wave 4 starting, going wave 4 ending here, and then going for wave 5 to the upside. And I always repeat that because there's always new people watching the video. So they need to know what the heck happened, right? So it went up there all the way. And I said from 1920, it's going to drop to 1802 and then go to the upside. And then that's exactly what happened. It dropped here, 1802, and then it started to go up. And this band was the concern. So what happened? It went up and then hit the band and then dropped. So I said, now it's going to drop all the way to 1877 and then go to the upside. And that's exactly what was happening. So it dropped all the way back to 1877, just a little bit above that. So I said, okay, let's see if we bounce from here, then I will go for long, and I'm not interested in going short. So, because the main trend is on the long side, right? So this is what happened. Yesterday, on the 29th, it started to go up, and then finally I got my entry here. So I said, okay, I'll take that entry, and I showed that in my yesterday's video. This entry, this chart was shown. I have a buy order here, SL move to break even plus 4, 5 pip, 10 pip something. And then I'm here, right? Positive. And I said, well, above 1920, if it wants to, usually the price goes like ABC correction after the move. So this is the move. This could be A, B, and C to the downside, right? Price can do that. So that's what I said, that if it's going to drop, I will be out at break even, and then I'll see if I can get another entry. That's exactly what happened. I got this another entry here. So it went from here, took me out, and then I got in again here, buy order here, SL move to break even. So this one started to go to the upside, and from I took it from 1917 to 1937. But now the question is, what the heck is happening, right? You want to know, what is this drama here and what is this happen here? So let me show you this chart that is basically, this is what happened. So this is wave 1 and 2, and this was my entry. The first entry, which got bad, right? This one, and I was out at break even. I took the second, and then it's going to the upside. Now, and the Elliott wave, this is what's happening. This wave 1, wave 2, black count. Then we should have wave 3 to the upside. Now, wave 3 will also have 5 subwaves. And out of that, I think wave 1 and 2 are done here. And then wave 3 is going, and now that wave 3 also will have 5 waves in it, right? So this is small wave 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and so on and so forth. A little bit clear picture would be this, right? So this is what's happening. This is big wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 started, which is this one. And out of that, this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that will happen. 1, 2, 3. And then this 3 also doing the subwaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that would be wave 3, then followed by wave 4, then wave 5, and that would be the end of wave 3. Then it will drop for wave 4, and so on and so forth, right? So right now, going to the upside, target is to the upside still. I'll see if I can get entry tonight to the upside. Let's see what happens. Just wanted to share with you guys. And yeah, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I also always put updates here. Oh, by the way, as I was making some chart for somebody, I thought maybe I'm going to show it in my video. And that is not this, but that's Japanese index, Nikkei. So this is what's happening there. I think this is wave 1, 2. After this finishing, A, B, and then C wave going for wave 5. 1, 2, 3. This flag, bullish flag, wave 4, wave 5. If you look at more detail on this one is Nikkei, this is wave 4. This is what happened. A, B, C, A, then A, B, C, B, and then A, B, C, C. And wave 4 is finished here, A, B, C correction. And after that, this is wave 1, 2, out of the wave 5. Wave 5 is going to be to the upside, right? So this is how it is unfolding. We have already wave 1 and 2, followed by wave 3, 4, 5. The wave 3 target is this 1.618 and 33,321, right? Then after that, small wave 4, then wave 5. That would be wave 1. Then we'll go for wave 2 and wave 3 and wave blah, 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 right? So yeah, the step by step, right? So this is gonna go, it's gonna bounce from anywhere from like this. I'm thinking that above this, if I get an entry on a smaller time frame, My 40-minute chart basically for Nikkei is this. Now, 40-minute chart, it made a perfect girdle pattern, which was bearish, right? So it need to drop. Then it need to drop. Basically, what it's doing is that it is making a wave 2 off, wave 3 off, wave 3. Sorry about that, but this is how it is. This is Elliott wave, right? So this is wave 1, 2, and wave 3 going to the upside. So this girdle need to be a failed girdle. This not supposed to be going all the way down. Then my count is wrong, right? So if my count is good, it will probably bounce one of these area levels here, 32,304 or 32,069. Somewhere there is going to bounce and go to the upside. Then the target for wave 3 would be 127 or 161 in this area. All right. So little drop, bounce, going into this area. So my son actually, he's doing this. So I says, what the hell, do whatever you want to do, but learn, right? So I'm helping him out as well, and some other guys. So I don't do this, that. But yeah, I make the chart, using my harmonic patterns and Elliott wave, all that. So this is what's happening, and then I will look for a 20-minute entry, which will be this chart. If I have it ready, I don't know. Yeah, see this one. So now it's coming down here, and this is how it is. This is one level, and the second is somewhere there. This yellow line is here. So anywhere, somewhere here, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is A, B, C correction maybe, or maybe a straight line, and then it will go to the upside. So let's see what happens. But pay attention on gold, and this is what the gold, my 20-minute chart on gold is. Wave 1, 2 is finished, and this wave 3 is underway. Out of that, we have wave 1, 2, 3, followed by a small wave 4, and wave 5. That will be wave 3, then wave 4, 5 to the upside. All right, so this is how it is. Just wanted to show that this is how my today's, what the heck, where it is. Oh, this is the trade that I was saying yesterday. I took this entry, right? This is the beauty about the system, that even if you're wrong, most of the time I come out break even, right? I made the entry here, it went up, sitting on a break even, it took me out, fine, thank you very much, no hurt, no harm feeling, no hurt, right? And after that, another entry, take. If I would not take this one, and then I would have taken this one, same thing, right? Entry after entry after entry. So this is how it is. All right. So if you like the system and you want to learn all about that system, and about this business, trading business, and Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, and how do I do these things, then go to my website. My website, you will find all kind of courses, and one-on-one course, right? And subscription monthly or yearly or 6 months, whatever. So if you're interested, sign up and start learning. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get my updates every time I do it. All right. Okay, I need to stop recording. Stop recording.